all my bunting. Really pretty. I made 2 purple, 2 pink and 2 stripy. And as you can see, I just added a little flower to the front of the purple and pink one. There is a link in the description box below on how to do this. A little flower. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to join them. And I'm going to use a 4mm hook, US terms. So I'm using the white wool. And I'm going to join them by starting on the right hand side and going across this way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the first piece of bunting, which is going to be on your right hand side, and I'm going to join it the first stitch. I'm going to pull the wool through like that and chain 2. And that chain 2 counts as your first double crochet. And what I'm going to do then is I'm just going to double crochet right across the top of that. So there should be 19 stitches in all across each of your bunting pieces. And you just simply double crochet across the top, very easy. Coming to the end of my first row now, my very first bunting piece, and double crocheting across the top and into the last stitch. I'm just going to do one into this corner stitch, which will make it easier to join on to the next bunting. And I'm actually going to attach the stripy one next. So I'm going to chain 2 and straight into the top of the stripy one I'm going to do a double crochet. 1 and 2. And again, I'm just going to double crochet across the 19 stitches at the top of the bunting. And basically that's what you do. You do 2 chain in between each bunting piece just to make room for the edging and join on your bunting, and very simple. And that's my bunting all crocheted together. So I'm just going to pull it along so you can see, because there isn't an awful lot of room on my camera. And I just cut off all the threads and you can steam it flat. And that's it. You can do as many of them as you like. Thanks for watching.